A Thai man set up a camera so he could keep an eye on his cat while he's at work. But when he checked the footage, he found out that his cat has been suffocating him at night. Honestly, this is a cat we're talking about. Are we really that surprised? Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and spill the tea. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Tell me down there in the comments if you are a cat or a dog person. I personally hate cats. They're cute and all, but I just sort of get the feeling that they just kind of want to kill us. Tell me your responses down in the comments and subscribe for daily viral news updates that are actually interesting. And follow the IO team on social media. All the links to our socials are posted in the description of this video. Lomfontan is from Thailand, and he has a tabby cat named Achi. Like other pet owners, he set up a home surveillance camera so he could watch his cat while he wasn't around. Out of curiosity, he decided to put the camera by his bed. Then after he checked the footage, he was shocked and amused to see that his cat smothers himself over his face while he sleeps. He tweeted, "I couldn't breathe when I slept, so I installed a camera." It could have been possible that Lomfontan had sleep apnea, which causes shallow or brief pauses in breathing while sleeping. But sleep apnea usually occurs when airways are obstructed. It's common in obese and overweight people. But Lomfontan is neither obese nor overweight, he just owns a murderous cat. The surveillance video shows Achi climbing up onto Lomfontan's chest, checking to see if he's sleeping, and then the cat makes its way up to Lomfontan's face, puts both of its arms around his neck, and blocks his airways. Achi does this night after night, and Lomfontan had no idea. I'm kinda scared, to be honest. This is why I don't want a cat. But Lomfontan thinks it's funny and thinks this is a way for his cat to show how much he loves his owner. He said, "I sat and watched the footage one night. It was very funny. I feel very much in love with him that he loves me like this." Okay, bud. Your cat isn't a demon at all. Let's see what the rest of Twitterdom had to say about this. "Your cat is trying to murder you. Looks like your cat may be trying to stop you from snoring. My cat used to do that to me. I only found out because when I woke up from my recurring dream of suffocating, the fat bastard was sprawled out on my face. Next, I've woken up with my cat nose to nose just staring me dead in the eyes in the middle of the night." Then people decided to share photos with their cats smothering them, like this one. Or choking them, like this one. My thing is, like, how did Lomfontan not wake up from this? He must have been like totally out cold to not notice that he had a fur ball lying on his face. Lomfontan's tweet has gone viral and has been favorited more than 1,000,000 times. What do you guys think? Is Achi trying to kill his owner, or is this just a show of affection? Let me know in the comments. For now, it is comment time. Sammy Animate said, "I love watching this news channel. It makes news so much funnier to watch. Great job. Keep up the amazing work." Following you. Kimmy Can Cat said, "I love how she says potato people." Potato people. Peachy Pudding said, "Can you please be my mom?" Do I have to? Okay, that is it for me. If you enjoyed this video, you will love the playlist that is currently flashing on your screen right over here. And obviously, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you in a future IO video. Bye.